All new 2022 Nissan Frontier will give even more to the customer. We spent a lot of time with Frontier customers and they told us they loved Frontier's size and nimbleness. Frontier remains a true, right-sized mid-size truck, about the same size as the previous model. Also, and this is no surprise, power is important to our customers. Featuring a standard 3.8-liter V6 engine, Frontier produces best-in-class 310 horsepower. Matched to the engine is a 9-speed automatic transmission, which is designed to maximize efficiency and provide strong acceleration. And of course, it's available in 2-wheel drive or with a proven shift-on-the-fly 4-wheel drive system. Of course, towing is important. To make sure our customers can pull whatever they need, Frontier's maximum towing capacity is a full 6,720 pounds, with trailer sway control now standard on all models. And a new suspension and steering system provide the Frontier best level ride and handling, but there's more. Our customers want usable high-tech features, all new for 2022 and a first on any Nissan vehicle. Intelligent around view monitor with off-road mode. As you can imagine, this system is perfect for negotiating tight canyon crawls or trails. Inside is a sanctuary, our true cut above and what's going to wow our customers. An available 9-inch touchscreen display, the largest in class, the perfect size to display the canyon crawling views from the intelligent around view monitor. And all Frontier trim levels feature standard Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, Wi-Fi, wireless smartphone charging, and a 9-speaker Fender Premium audio system are also available, all useful for work and play. The interior design is modern and functional, and our customers tell us that storage is absolutely critical. So we responded with 4 liters of center console storage. That's almost double the size of most mid-size pickups. Our proven zero-gravity seat technology is now standard on Frontier. These seats are life changers for those long drives. Now, to give drivers peace of mind, 2022 Frontier trucks have Nissan Safety Shield 360 available on all trim levels, as well as 8 standard airbags. Now, I've gone fast, and I know that there's so much more to cover. I'll end with this for now. The 2022 Frontier sets the new standard for the midsize truck segment, making life easier, more fun, and more versatile for any adventure.